no longer need to buy an expensive console to play Xbox games, only if you own a supported Hisense TV. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Apparently, the Xbox app has been rolling out support for Hisense and other VIDAA OS-powered TVs released between 2024 and 2026 over the past month. Microsoft's gaming division said in its announcement that it's continuing to bring Xbox to more devices people already own, especially for those who may not be able to afford or justify buying dedicated gaming hardware. Over the last 4 years, the company released the Xbox app for Samsung TVs, LG TVs, and Amazon Fire TV devices. However, to play any games on the app, you'll need to have a Game Pass subscription. Any tier will do except for the PC-only option. An essential membership will cost you $10 a month, a premium one is for $15, and an ultimate one is $23. The ultimate subscription gives you access to over 500 games and will give you a way to play select new titles from launch day. As Game Pass is a streaming service, you'll need to be connected to the internet while playing. You also need to have either an official Xbox controller or a Bluetooth-enabled alternative. Xbox has also been testing a way for you to stream the games you already own for free, but it's only available to insiders for now. VIDAA OS was developed by Hisense for its TVs, but the software is also being used by Toshiba and some European brands. If the Xbox app hasn't made its way to you yet, you may just need to keep waiting, as Microsoft will keep rolling out the app to VIDAA OS TVs. Also, make sure your TV has the latest software. If not, update it and then go to the game section from the home screen to check if the app has already been installed on your device. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.